One day, that's all it cost to ruin 8 years of friendship. Kilala ko ng kaibigan ko bilang matabil ang dila at prangka. So nung araw na yon, my boss asked me nasan ang best friend ko. I thought everyone knew she was always late. So I told my boss, "Parang di ka naman nasanay, sir. Lagi naman siyang late," while laughing. Nashock ako because my boss's expression changed. I added na, it's because of her family, yung condition ng mom niya. I tried to save her dahil nadulas ako. But his reaction didn't change. Later that day, my best friend came out sa boss's office and looked at me nang may disappointment. She was up for promotion pala. But because of her tardiness and emotional distraction, hindi niya nakuha yung job. She wanted that position and she needed that raise. But because I shared a story that wasn't mine to share, she lost it. Ako si Madel, and I should have been silent. She lost her chance, and I lost my friend. For the lack of better term. Bakit ka kasi umepal? Diba? At mo ginawa yun? There are a lot of things to say when your boss corners you like that. And the simplest way, sabi ni Boy Pindot, ba't ganun, friend? Diba? And the simplest reason you can probably give to save your friend is, I don't know. Diba? If you know exactly that your friend will be, sabihin na natin na, ang tawag doon, masasanctionan or mapaparusahan or magkakaroon ng negative something. Hindi ko ma-explain. Repercussion, ayan. Kung magkakaroon ng repercussion yung actions ng friend mo, na workmate mo, then my love, zip your mouth and just say, I don't know. Do not meddle with things you don't have a business with. But I guess you know that. Kasi right now, you do understand what you just lost. My love, ganito, no? May mga taong tolerant talaga. Sa mga matatabil yung dila, sa mga madadaldal, machichismis na friend, meron silang capability, strength, to mute things out when they need to. That's why they can tolerate it. Meaning to say, okay lang sa kanila having you around with that personality kasi strong enough yung personality nila not to be blended by yours. Siguro, 1 time or 2 times sinasabihan ka nila, uy, wag kang ganyan, wag kang masyadong ganyan. Kaya wag kang masyadong maingay, wag masyadong matabil, wag masyadong prangka, wag masyadong chismosa. Kumbaga, nariringgan mo silang pagsabihan ka. But because you are their friend and they got accustomed sa ganun mong ugali and they see more good in you than that, they learned through the years na i-tolerate yung ganung klaseng attitude mo. Pero yun nga, my love, even when your friends do tolerate you, there's still a time and place for everything. And apparently, depende din sa taong kausap mo. You must learn to be professional in your workplace. Kasi your personality is more of a friendship kind of level. Pero kung nagtatrabaho kayo or kinausap ka na ng boss mo, you have to tune that down so that may on mo yung professionalism in you. Kasi kahit naman siguro sa ang kumpanya, kapag nag-tell ka ng ganyang attitude of a workmate to your boss, your workmates won't like you. Magmumukha ka lang sip-sip, magmumukha kang sumbongero, and yun nga, you'll gain nothing out of it. Kasi even sa mata ng boss mo, even if you do that just for the sake na, I don't know, kung ang intention mo ay itama yung mga workmates mo or para reprimand sila ng boss mo so that your boss will look at you differently and I don't know, maging up ka sa promotion, my love, kung yun yung intention, your boss won't see that. All your boss will see is a person who doesn't work well with the team. Kasi nagiging sumbongero ka eh. 'Di ba? Nagiging traidor ka sa sarili mong mga katrabaho. That in every single day you work with and kapag nagkakasalamuha kayo, you smile with them, you talk to them, 'di ba? Sumasabay kang kumain and then pagtalikod nila, you do that. That's how your boss will look at you as someone who cannot work well with the team. So I know, Madel, you are not like that. I know that this was an honest mistake. But yun nga yun eh. Siguro, naging tolerant yung friend mo for so long. Dun sa ganun mong ugali. They are letting it slide because they want to give you the benefit of the doubt. They want to look at it as there's more good in you than harm. There's more good in you than bad. In short, the good outweighs the bad with you. Pero, hindi lang din kasi ikaw yung kailangang intindihin, unawain, na that's just your personality. Especially now that your friend is in need of understanding as well. So siguro, Madel, the best thing you can do is ask for forgiveness sa friend mo and learn from this mistake. That there are stories apparently na alam ko namang na-realize mo na. But let that lesson sink in. Na there are stories you cannot tell. Not just to your boss, but to anyone. If it's not your story to share, and your friend is not sharing to anyone that story, take it as a hint. Pinagkatiwalaan ka ng storyang yon because you are a friend to that person. That person value you. Value your opinion and discretion. So, wag mong ipagsabi sa kahit kanino. Keep it to yourself. When they are ready, kapag handa na yung puso't isipan nila, when they are ready to talk about it, when they are ready sa magiging reaction ng mga tao sa lugar na pinagtatrabahuhan niya or kinabibilangan niya, when that person is ready sa magiging reaction ng mga tao papunta sa kanya because of that story, your friend will tell that story herself. There are moments that we should be silent. Not because we want na pagtakpan yung friend natin. Not because gusto nating i-tolerate, ikonsinte ang kamalian. But we want to be silent kasi it will do more harm than good to that person. Because the job is on the line. Because reputation is on the line. Because that person deserves to be understood on a proper time. On a proper setting. Not like that. Yun yung value of being silent sometimes, even when you are seeing something wrong or even when you know something is wrong. It's because it's not yours to share. Hindi mai-explika ng explanation mo yung tamang emosyon, yung tamang detalye that your friend can do because that is her life. Not yours. Naintindihan mo ako, Madel? Siguro in time, she can forgive you. After all, that's 8 years of friendship. It's one honest mistake. But right now, hindi natin pwedeng i-force yung forgiveness in an instant. With everything that's going on in her life, it's the least she needs right now. Yung intindihin pa yung emosyon ng iba, intindihin pa yung explanation ng iba. Kailangan niya lang munang pulutin yung sarili niya. Kasi, sabi mo nga, she's been looking forward to that promotion for so long. She really wanted it and she needed it. Now na wala na siyang shot for it, let her grieve. Give her space. Again, when she's ready, maybe you can have a talk. But for now, sink it all in. Yung lesson, Madel. Not because everyone has already accepted na matabil yung dila mo, na prangka ka, na madali kang madulas. I-continue mo na yon at hindi mo pipihitin ng onte, ida-dial down. Kasi kung hindi, my love, may masasabi kang even worse than that. And that one, you will never ever forgive yourself for doing. Claro? Claro.